All right, folks, this is a 2021 Trailblazer Active, without the E. Anyway, has a check engine light. And my scanner only shows this, a P146B. The fault code is not found in the database. So this is too new for me for this. This is kind of crazy, but it is what it is. 146F. This is just the pending codes. Pending codes. Permanent codes. That's it. Can't help you with this scanner. This is going to have to be a dealer item only. I'll do a little homework and see what I can do. But certain things have to go back to the dealer, people. Okay? Can't go to the regular places, and guys like me can't figure it out unless I buy a more expensive scanner. But hey, if you want to chip in, send it to me. Thanks for watching.